some cat toy from felt with a bell inside. Okay, let's get started. I have here a template with the felt fabric. I'm gonna needle it because I'm gonna cut it out just like my template. And I'm using my turtle that I made before. It's very easy because it stucks. Okay, further, I'm gonna cut this out. I have two now, two pieces from the same. What I'm gonna do is now I make a fins up and about both sides. When I will get them together, we have fins then. I choose two colors. Okay, let's do it. One is little pink, one is almost white pink, and that were both the fins on the fish on both sides. The fins are really easy to make. Cut them in little pieces. Make them a little bit round. And also doing the same with another color. Will come just like this. More fins. Okay, my first fin is on my fish. I made some fins on my fish. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna choose another color, this color, and we'll get a little bit on the fins, gets more effects, just like this. Make them more playful for the cats. This is what is going on. So playful, they're loose. I stuck them only on the front here. It's playful for the cats, play and bite on it. What I'm gonna do is I put some big eye here, and I have also here, when I put them together, I have also for playful a bell. I have here a bell, and I put them just like here, make playful. I'm thinking, or I can put them inside the bell, up or on the front. Okay, time will tell what I'm gonna do. Two fishes, just like the same. They're both done. What I'm gonna do is the fins here. I'm gonna stick them just like fins, only with machine, do nothing else. just like this. I will do also here off camera and the boat size, but the other fish I will do also off camera, and I'll be back. Van Veld, white felt and black. I stick it just like this, triangle. It will stick on it, it will not fall. It will get later on my fish, just like this. I'm thinking for eyebrows this more playful here to make, or shall I leave it so? Stick on the eyes. This is one side and this is the other side from the eye. Okay, what we're gonna do is I will put them together, front stick, and I did say I will stuck the bell here, but I'm thinking now I'm stuck the bell inside. Yeah, if my cats want playing and they will hear the bell inside, so it's more careful for my cats. Okay, I'm gonna do it with the hands, not with a sewing machine. And I did the fin now with the hand. I will do the rest off camera, and when I almost done, I will show you how I put the bill inside almost and make it close, sticked up with the hand. Now is the big question: if I put the bill inside, will it ring? Just what we must do. Yeah, it is. Okay, now we're gonna stitch it up, and is it done? My fish is done, ready. You can hear the bell is inside. It's playful for the cats. Made these fins playful just like that, and we're gonna test it. What kind of like my cats? I have two of them, two boys. I'm going to test them out. He's testing out the new toy that I made. You can hear the bell. It's working great, the bell. Oh, he loves it. He's playing with the toy, with a new toy. This is the final product. That's what we must do. It wrinkles. My cat's loving it. I made it before for my cats. Another toy is made a mouse, and this time it is a fish Van Veld, and they love them. And okay, that was it then. I see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe downstairs, ring the bell, and I see you next time. Bye.